1, 2, 3, let's go.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. What's up? How you doing? So today, as you can tell by the title, I got a fall haul for y'all. I haven't done a haul in a hot minute, but fall is here. Fall's been here. Fall is my favorite season, specifically for the clothes. Like sweater weather, like flannels, like just super cozy. I love the tones and the colors of fall. Fall is beautiful. So enough of me talking, let's get into this haul. We have stuff from Baffle, stuff from Tilly's, PacSun, Urban, and even some stuff that I thrifted. So the first piece that we have is from Baffle, and it is this adorable sweater hoodie. It also, like, the strings are super long, so I'm gonna have to cut those. And you can wear this as like a cardigan or zipped up. And I loved the cut detail on the bottom, and it's on the hood here as well. Just absolute fall vibes from this green, and I can't wait to wear this piece. So next from Baffle, we have another hoodie. I live in fuzzy things, and this is something that I'm going to be living in now. It is just a black fuzzy quarter zip, and it's hooded. Like, I will be absolutely living in this. It also has pockets. Like, sign me up. This is so nice for fall. I just throw this on, you know, it's a little bit chilly outside, or it's nice to wear around the house, you know, super cozy. So now I'll show you my things from PacSun. So first from PacSun, we have these awesome pants, and it's gray, white, blue, and black plaid, and they have an elastic waist. They're super soft as well, and these will look so cute with some Doc Martens, with a cute little sweater. Next from PacSun, we have just a simple little long sleeve thermal top. I thought it was a super pretty color. As you can tell, I love blue. But yeah, this is just a nice staple piece to have, especially the thermal is really nice just for layering, you know, on those super chilly fall days. You know, this is one of those pieces that you can dress up or dress down. Really comfortable, perfect fit, such a cute staple piece for those chilly days. Next from PacSun, this shirt is so adorable, and it gives me Rachel Green vibes. The reason why it gives me Rachel Green vibes is because she wore this shirt in an episode, and it just kind of is similar. It says, "Don't call me baby." It has light pink trim, little lips. This is just a really pretty shirt to go like under a cardigan or a jean jacket or a fuzzy jacket, or even by itself on those nice warm days. Yeah, I just love having cute little graphic tees. I just had to have this because, like I said, Rachel Green vibes. So that is it for my PacSun stuff. I have one thing from Tilly's that I'll show you. So I got these awesome sweatpants, and the material of them I didn't even know, but they're kind of like sweater. Well, if you ever had a Patagonia, like one of these jackets, that's the material of these. And I didn't even know that until I got them. I thought that they were just like regular sweatpant material, but I like them even more now because of the material that they are, because they're super, super warm, and the inside is just so soft. Yeah, these will just be so nice for the fall and the winter too, because they're super warm. These are nice to just like throw on like a super chill day or a Sunday, or just, you know, you can wear these to school, and the material of them makes it look like more classy. Not classy, but like it just makes it look like you're trying a little harder with this material, because it's like a sweater kind of material and not just regular sweatpants. So it's like, oh, like she has some texture going on there. She's trying, you know? Then we have one thing from Urban Outfitters. I finally caved in and bought myself a pair of Jaden Doc Martens. So I am obsessed with my Doc Martens, and I have just been dying to get a pair of the platform ones since like last year. And my insecure ass was like, oh no, I can't wear those to school. Everybody will make fun of me. They'll think I'm goth. They'll think I'm emo. They'll be like, why is she wearing those? Like, she looks so dumb. So that was in my head last year when I was like dying to get these, and I was just like, no, I can't, because I'm gonna get made fun of. And I hate that I thought like that. I don't care if people look at me and think that I'm goth because I wear Doc Martens. What? That is the dumbest thing ever. I can't believe I ever had that like mentality. Since I already had the black regular ones, I got the cherry ones. I am so happy that I got these. Like, I am obsessed with Doc Martens. I think they're comfortable. Anybody else? People say that they're like super uncomfortable, but like I literally think they're comfy. So the last pieces that we have are thrifted. First I'll show you this sweater that I got. This is like the epitome of fall. Just these colors and just the design on it. I was so drawn to it. And this was $5. It's like kind of that itchy material. Yeah, and I just loved the combination of the colors. I thought it was super different and like kind of retro 80s vibe. And this will just be so nice on a fall day. I love that in the fall you could just like throw a sweater on. Like you don't have to wear a jacket. Like those are the best days. And our last piece for this haul are these pants, light green, like flood pants. I thought that these would look super cute with Doc Martens, and these were only $1. This ticket means they were in like the dollar rack. They're from Garnet Hill, so they're like legit old lady pants, but they're so cute with like a belt on, and they were $1, so I was like, I'm getting these. Blech. Girls that think burping's a personality trait. Blech. That is this haul for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some inspiration for some fall looks from this video. I ordered all of these pieces besides the thrift stuff from Dote. Dote is an awesome app. This isn't sponsored, though I wish it was. I love Dote so much. It just makes shopping like so much fun. I don't know why. I always find myself just scrolling through Dote. Like it's so addicting for some reason. I hope you guys enjoyed all of these pieces, and I will see you next time. I hope you're having the greatest fall ever. I hope your season is spooky and your pumpkin spice is latte'd. Yes.
I know you